Welcome to this tutorial where I'll guide you step by step on how to use the Item Finder tool with Aliexpress as your supplier inside ZIK Analytics. The Item Finder is a powerful feature designed to help you match products sold on eBay with their sourcing option from your preferred supplier. It appears as a small icon, a box with the supplier's logo on it. When clicked, the tool cross-references the eBay product with available listings from suppliers like Aliexpress and shows options to source the product, either an exact match or a similar match. You'll find the Item Finder icon across multiple ZIK Analytics tools, including the Market Insight Dashboard, Product Research, Competitor Research, Product Explorer, and the ZIK AI tools. Anywhere ZIK is analyzing a product that's been sold on eBay, the Item Finder will be right there with it. Step 1, setting up the Item Finder. To get the most accurate results, it's important to configure the tool properly. Go to the quick settings on the left side of the dashboard. Make sure to set your marketplace. Example, ebay.com. Choose the correct shipping location. If you're using Aliexpress as your sourcing supplier, you'll need to select China as the shipping location. That's because most products on Aliexpress ship from China. And this allows Aliexpress sellers to offer worldwide shipping for free or at low cost. And select your source supplier, Aliexpress. Next, set your break-even percentage. This depends on your selling fees and business model, but it's usually between 15% and 19%. For this example, I'll use 16%. This setting affects your profit calculations across ZIK. Once everything is in place, click Apply Changes and you are good to go. Step 2, understanding the match types. When using the Item Finder to source from Aliexpress, you'll see the tool marked with the Aliexpress icon. Once you click on it, you'll get options to source the exact or similar product that was sold on eBay. Next to each option, you'll see the product's price on Aliexpress, the potential profit margin in case you sell it at the same price as the eBay competitor, and the return on investment, ROI. Step 3, product comparison and sourcing. Let's walk through a live example. I'll navigate to the Market Insights dashboard and focus on sourcing products quickly using the Trending eBay Products section. I see that this product could be a good option to source. It was sold 5 times on eBay in the past 30 days. I can simply click on the Item Finder and here I get some exact and similar product results. For example, I can go with this one. The price on Aliexpress is $1.53 without discounts or promotions, plus $1.99 because this product is in the Aliexpress Choice program and cost less than $10, while the same product is being sold on eBay for $11.27. Before adding any product to your eBay dropshipping store, it's important to check the Aliexpress seller's reputation and the product rating. In this case, the product has a 4.9 star rating from 509 reviews and has sold over 1,000 times, which is solid and assures me that I'm adding a quality item to my store. For the seller, scroll down to check their positive feedback percentage and how many followers they have. In this case, the seller looks reliable too, which means I'm more likely to get good customer service in case I need to handle replacements or returns. Step 4, how to save a product to a ZIK folder. If you want to save a product you've found, it's a quick and easy process. You can create a custom folder inside ZIK Analytics and save products into it. From there, you can either upload the products directly to an automation software like AutoDS or generate a CSV file that you can use to upload the products into any automation tool. or even list them manually. To do this from the item finder, simply click Select a folder. Then click New Folder. If you don't have an existing one, you can save the product to. Name your folder. After that, click Save to Folder. All of your saved folders will be available under the My Products section, and choose the Aliexpress Products tab. From there, you can open any folder, request a CSV file for all of them or the selected products, or upload them directly to your connected automation software.
Step 5. How to add products to an automation software.
One of the most powerful time-saving features in ZIK Analytics is the ability to send products directly to your automation software as long as it's integrated with ZIK. Here is how that works. Click Add to Store on the product you want to export. Then choose your integration. For example, AutoDS. Once connected, click Add to the automation software you chose, and the product will be sent directly to your automation software and appear in the draft section, ready to be reviewed or published to eBay. This seamless integration allows you to save time, stay organized, and scale your store more efficiently by skipping the manual upload process. And that's it. You now know how to use the item finder to match, compare, and source profitable products from Amazon using ZIK Analytics. This is one of the fastest ways to find winning items, boost your margins, and scale your eBay dropshipping store with confidence. Thank you for watching this tutorial.